Eastern Idaho Regional Medical Center is expanding its reach in Idaho Falls. Though not open for patients yet, the North Idaho Falls ER will soon provide another location that's closer to home for some residents. Today, we got a first look inside the new facility before it opens to the public.
Just off Lincoln Road in Idaho Falls, Eastern Idaho Regional Medical Center is putting the finishing touches on its North Idaho Falls ER. Though it is an extension of EIRMC's main campus, this location is what's known as a freestanding ER.
This is not an urgent care. This is a true emergency department. We have specialty exam rooms. We have specialty equipment. We have board-certified emergency department physicians and trained nurses here at this facility. We have 24/7 access to diagnostic imaging here, CT scans and x-rays, as well as lab work.
The new ER also has 11 private exam rooms, a trauma room, a behavioral and mental health crisis room designed for patient and staff safety, isolation and decontamination rooms for those who have been exposed to hazardous chemicals or substances, and even an OBGYN room for labor and delivery cases.
We identified a need in the North Idaho community for expanding some healthcare services, and the emergency department here is perfect for that. We have the ability to diagnose and treat any emergency here, and if definitive care needs to go to the main campus, we're able to transfer the patients to the main campus for that definitive care.
And EIRMC says if a patient does need to be transferred to the main hospital, that ambulance ride will cost the patient nothing.
As everyone's seen, Idaho Falls is growing exponentially right now, and with that, we see an exponential growth in the ER visits.
In the last 10 years, here in Idaho Falls, we've seen about 70,000 ER visits here just in this town.
North Idaho Falls doesn't have a lot of medical resources, and now we have an option here that will be closer for people in those outlying communities to be able to get the same emergency medical care without having to drive into the main campus.
EIRMC also gets a lot of trauma and emergency cases from communities throughout the region, and even from other states if needed. In any medical emergency, every minute matters, and EIRMC says this is just one more resource to help those minutes count.
Idaho Falls is growing, and we want to grow with it, and so we're super excited to be able to expand our services.
I'm excited about it personally. I think that this is going to be good for the community. All of the physicians live here. We're all ingrained in this community and members of the community, and I think it's an exciting addition to be able to have this extra resource for people in Idaho Falls.
And again, the new ER is not open and receiving patients yet, but they hope to officially open next week.